Hello, welcome back to my channel. You already know where you are. This is Bliss Studios. Hope you are feeling well. Hope you are doing great. Okay, remember the last video I made? I showed you how to remove image background, but today's video I will be teaching you how to remove watermark from your image. Remember the last video I promised I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from your image. You know, sometimes when you download images you see that they have watermarks. I'll show you today how to remove watermarks. In case you don't know what is watermark, this is what they call watermarks. All those things on that images, that's what they call watermark. But before we kick off, please, I would like you to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to see our video whenever I drop our exclusive videos. Okay, let's start real quick. What I need to do now is to open my Play Store. When I open my Play Store, I'm going to search watermark remover photo. Okay, this pop up. See this third one, watermarkremover.io by Pixel Paint. You click that one, and then when it loads, you know how to install app. You install the app. When you're done installing the app, just open the app. You wait for it to load. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Just wait for it to load for a while. Done. Okay, I've opened. The next thing we're going to do, if you look here, you see that this background is the one that I just finished doing it now. What to do is to upload image. Click that upload image. It goes to your gallery. Choose the image you want to upload. You want to remove the watermark. Just watch and see Pixel Paint magic. It's not a trick. You can try it by yourself. The image is still processing. Now it's done. Look at it. You see those watermarks gone. Pixel Paint have removed it. This is the app I would recommend for you to use it. The best thing is that after doing this, the image will retain its quality. You're not going to lose anything. What you need to do is to click download, and the file will start downloading. You won't see it downloading, but you're going to get a notification. Okay, I'm going to take you to my gallery so that you see the image. Okay, so this is my gallery. Look at the image. You see there's no watermark thing in. The only thing you need to do is to go and remove the background, use it and design whatever you want to design. So this is the simple thing you got to do. No need to worry yourself about a watermark or anything.
This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you on my next video. Peace out.